I've got two ships in today, the Norwegian Jade and the Carnival Pride. So you one of them ones that drive these things?
I just drive the pilot boat.
Oh, you just drive the pilot boat?
Right.
What's the difference? Who drives that?
The big shot.
Oh, the big shot?
Yeah, the pilot.
The pilot himself?
Yeah.
What's he getting on right here?
Yep. He's going to be on the Norwegian Jade.
Is that them right there? No, that ain't them.
No, I don't know who those guys are. They look like engineers. Where are you from?
I'm from Brandon.
No, okay.
So this is your baby to drive. How far out do y'all go?
I'd stay right here in the harbor.
You only stay in the harbor?
Right.
Who picks them up out there?
Another boat.
Another boat?
Oh, yeah, they got 3 boats out there.
Well, what is your job?
I'm getting the pilot on the Norwegian Jade.
Your job is to drive them from here over to there?
Right, then they don't have to go through security.
Oh, I see. So that's the only time they need you here, was when they were parked over there.
Well, we got a lot of ships. It's just not these cruise ships.
Oh, you mean them pilots get on all of these ships?
Yeah.
I got you. Well, thanks, man. Good information.
All right, yeah.
We're just out ship watching today.
Good. There he comes. There's the big shot.
Oh, you see him?
Joe Luck.
He's wearing the same clothes with the other guys. There's the pilot himself.
How you doing?
He calls you the big shot. Says the big shot's here.
How you doing today?
Good. Be safe out there. Don't gotta tell the pilot that. Well, not every day I get to see the pilot get on the boat from land.